Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So yes, it's all about rice this week, and I'm going to share with you guys one of my absolute favorite rice dishes, one of my absolute favorite comfort foods actually, especially when I have like leftover rice in the fridge. This dish is one of my go-tos, and it's actually really simple, delicious egg rice. So you're probably saying, well, egg rice? What's egg rice? I actually have a video up already on my channel on egg rice, but in that egg rice, I actually included other stuff. But this one is just the way that I absolutely love having it. So it's so easy. You're going to be like, Jen, are you serious? And I'm just going to be like, yes, you are. This is one of my favorite things to eat. So once I have leftover rice in the fridge, this is my go-to dish. So it's real simple. Extra rice on hand, and just in case you want to get an idea, the full ingredients, the listing, and the measurements, I'll post that on my website so you guys can check that out. So I have my cooked parboiled rice in my fridge, and all I'm going to be using for this is egg, hot pepper, real onions, and just a little pinch of green seasoning. Not that I use it plenty, but the key thing for me in this dish, and what's actually make it like so delightful for me, that hot pepper and that onion. So I'm a person who absolutely loves hot pepper, like raw pepper. I would sit down and eat raw pepper. And sometimes for me, like one of my unwinding times will actually be like a plate of hot rice with pepper, wanted pepper. I could eat rice alone and hot pepper and I'm good to go. So all it is, real onions. And all I'm going to be doing is just cooking the onion, sauteing it in some olive oil. Now you could use butter. I know people like to buy rice and butter, but I just use some olive oil. Make sure the onions cook up nice, and if it starts to burn a little bit, I don't even mind that. And so the onions and the pepper in that oil, cook that up a little bit there, and I'm going to crack my eggs in there. I don't even whisk it together before. I ain't beating it up before. Cracking it, easy, fast meal. So I'm just gonna literally crack the eggs into the pan. Now I know I'm taking a chance because you know sometimes you might crack it and it's not so good. Well, thankfully it never happened before, so hopefully it will stay that way. So once I have the egg crack, I'm just going to mix it all up, and when it's almost cooked through properly, then I'm going to add in the cooked rice. Now my rice usually has salt in it, so you can either taste it and adjust it, leave out the salt, or what I like to do is add some all-purpose seasoning to it too. So it's either salt, black pepper if you want, or the all-purpose. For me, you just add a lot of flavor in it, so either way. So you're just going to mix that up, guys, and I'm not kidding, this is it. This is the egg rice that I absolutely love. So the other one I have up on my channel, that has, I think I put mushrooms and tomatoes and all kind of stuff in it, but this is not that. This is just my egg, onion, and hot pepper rice, essentially. So I posted this a few times on Instagram when I made it, and a lot of people kept asking, what exactly is that? So for those of you guys who are wondering, this is my way of making my egg rice. Really simple, but it's a good way to use the extra rice that you might have on hand. So you can add more vegetables to it, of course. You can make it into a fried rice, you can make it into a vegetable rice. So this is one way to use extra rice you have that just cooked and just sitting in the fridge. So I know it's a real short video, super quick dish, and you know, but I just really wanted to share it with you guys because it's one of my favorites, and who knows, if you try it you might like it too. So no extra vegetables, just rice, hot pepper, plenty onion, and I'm good there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, did you all ever have egg rice like this or not? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. And of course, share with all your friends and your family. Thanks as always for watching.